Good Monday, everyone. I hope your week is off to a wonderful start. It's certainly off to a cloudy start, and we're dodging a few showers out there today. As you can see on our daily weather map, lots of showers across the eastern U.S. actually. But ours are on the light side of the scale, so we'll be looking at about 1/10 of an inch, maybe, of rain. So definitely not a lot to weten the roadways or anything, but just enough to kind of dodge from time to time. The strongest of our thunderstorms stay to our south, down over South Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. They're having a rough morning already, so they'll be in for a rough day. If you look farther to the northwest, you'll see lots of snowflakes flying across the upper Midwest, stretching back to the mountains of the western U.S. On our 5-day forecast, we see that big system spinning in our neck of the woods by Wednesday. But before then, we've got these showers to deal with today on Monday, 50% chance. It will be a windy day, 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible, especially as we get later into the day. Tonight, a warm front lifts north. Winds pick up out of the south, gusting once again to 25 miles per hour. The overnight low rises overnight. So the coolest temperatures we have will be after sunset, and then we'll just keep going up to 75 then on Tuesday with clouds and sun and 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts from the south. Could be a heightened wildfire danger on Tuesday, so be aware of that. And then Tuesday night, winds continue to increase 30 miles per hour out of the south. And then Wednesday, that wind has blown in our storm system. Timing uncertain. We know the front's going to be putting on the brakes once it gets to Tennessee and Kentucky. We just don't know exactly at what point it's going to start slowing down and how slow it's going to go once it does that. So it does look like the timing will be afternoon, evening Wednesday into the overnight for the best chance for showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to severe. High of 80 degrees. The good thing is, though, with all that warm air, the good news is that the best upper level dynamics with that system are going to be lifting up into the upper Midwest. So if those had been coming over the top of us like it looked like they would earlier, we would have been in some serious trouble. But with everything kind of separating out a little bit, we're going to be in better shape. I'll still keep a close eye on it, though. We're definitely in the risk. The Storm Prediction Center has put us in the marginal risk for severe weather for Wednesday, and we'll likely be upgraded to the slight risk. On Thursday, showers likely, highs only in the mid to upper 50s, a very chilly day. And then that front kind of lingers around, and we have a couple of showers sticking around maybe for Friday. I'll fine-tune that end of the week forecast. We've got to figure out what this front's going to do once it gets past us before we can really know what the very end of the week looks like. So my severe weather concerns for Wednesday are all on the low end of the scale. We'll see if this changes as we go forward in time. But like I said, with the dynamics kind of separating out with the upper level dynamics separating from the surface features, it gives us a better chance for being dodged. But the chances are low, but not zero. Definitely stay tuned. On this day in 1974, we had the worst tornado outbreak we've ever had across the Upper Cumberlands. In fact, it's probably the worst tornado outbreak ever seen in the entire U.S. 148 tornadoes across 13 states. Man, we had 9 tornadoes across the Upper Cumberlands. Many of them were strong to violent. What an incredible day. An F3 tornado roared across northern Cumberland County. We also had an F4 roar across Fentress County, which is the strongest tornado we've ever seen throughout either Cumberland or Fentress County. So a very, very active day on this day in 1974, and we certainly hope we never see anything like that again. I have a map that shows the tornado tracks on the website this morning if you want to check that out at meteorologistmark.com. But otherwise, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up for more weather. Just go to meteorologistmark.com.